England, a land of timeless allure, beckons travellers with its iconic landmarks and bustling cities. But beyond these well-trodden paths lie hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. From rugged coastlines to charming villages, England's lesser-known gems offer a glimpse into the country's rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural beauty. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover these hidden treasures, each offering a unique and unforgettable experience. Our adventure takes us off the beaten track, away from the crowds and tourist traps. Get ready to be captivated by the unexpected, to immerse yourself in local traditions, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Our first stop takes us to the dramatic Jurassic Coast, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in southern England. Stretching for 95 miles, this coastline is a geological marvel with cliffs revealing millions of years of history. Imagine walking along these ancient shores, the wind whipping through your hair as you stumble upon fossils of creatures that once roamed this land. Start your journey in Exmouth, where the red cliffs meet the sea. Hike along the southwest coast path, England's longest national trail, and marvel at the natural arch of Durdle Door. Keep an eye out for fossils embedded in the rocks, a testament to the area's prehistoric past. Don't miss the chance to visit Lulworth Cove, a picturesque natural harbour formed by the power of the sea. Pro tip: check the tide times before you go, as some parts of the beach can be submerged at high tide. Next, we venture north to Durham, a city steeped in history and dominated by its magnificent Norman cathedral. Picture this: a 1,000-year-old cathedral perched atop a hill overlooking a loop in the River Wear. Begin your exploration at Durham Cathedral, a masterpiece of Norman architecture and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Step inside and be awestruck by the grandeur of the nave, the intricate carvings and the stained glass windows that bathe the interior in a kaleidoscope of colours. Afterward, stroll along the cobbled streets of the city centre, lined with charming shops, cafes and traditional pubs. Cross the medieval Framwell Gate Bridge, which offers picturesque views of the cathedral and the river. Pro tip: don't miss Evensong at the cathedral, a truly atmospheric experience. Prepare to be enchanted by the Cotswolds, a region of rolling hills, honey-coloured villages and quintessential English charm. This is the England of storybooks, where time seems to move a little slower and the air is filled with the scent of roses and freshly baked bread. Start your Cotswolds adventure in the village of Bybury, often called the most beautiful village in England. Visit Arlington Row, a row of 14th century weavers' cottages, now one of the most photographed spots in the Cotswolds. Continue your journey to Bourton-on-the-Water, known as the Venice of the Cotswolds. Visit the Cotswold Motoring Museum, home to a collection of vintage cars and motorcycles, or simply relax by the river and watch the world go by. Pro tip: the Cotswolds are best explored by car, allowing you to discover hidden villages and scenic drives at your own pace. Our journey takes us next to Rye, a charming town perched on a hilltop overlooking the Romney Marshes. This historic Cinque Port town, once a bustling port, is now a captivating blend of cobbled streets, medieval architecture and maritime history. Begin your exploration at Rye Castle, built in the 13th century to defend the town from French invaders. Climb to the top of the tower for panoramic views of the town and the surrounding countryside. Wander through the cobbled streets of the town centre, lined with antique shops, art galleries and traditional pubs. Step back in time at the Mermaid Inn, a 15th century inn with a colourful history, said to be haunted by smugglers and other ghostly figures. Pro tip for a taste of local culture: visit Rye during the annual Rye Scallop Festival, held in February, celebrating the town's maritime heritage with food, music and festivities. Prepare to be awestruck by the Lake District, a region of soaring mountains, shimmering lakes and breathtaking natural beauty. This UNESCO World Heritage Site in northwest England is a paradise for hikers, nature lovers and anyone seeking solace in the great outdoors. Start your adventure in Windermere, the largest natural lake in England. Take a scenic boat trip across the lake, surrounded by stunning views of the surrounding fells. For the adventurous, hike up Scafell Pike, England's highest peak, and marvel at the panoramic views from the summit. After a day of exploring, unwind at a cozy pub by the lake, savouring local ales and hearty Cumbrian fare. Pro tip: the weather in the Lake District can be unpredictable, so be prepared for all conditions. Our next destination takes us to Bath, a city renowned for its Georgian elegance and ancient Roman heritage. Imagine stepping back in time as you stroll along streets lined with honey-coloured Georgian townhouses, then descending into the heart of Roman Britain at the city's ancient baths. Begin your exploration at the Roman Baths, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where you can walk on original Roman pavements and marvel at the remarkably preserved bathing complex. Learn about the Roman way of life, their bathing rituals, and the history of this ancient city. Afterward, take a stroll along the elegant Royal Crescent, a sweeping crescent of Georgian townhouses overlooking a vast green lawn. For stunning views of the city, climb up to Bath Abbey's tower or cross the Pulteney Bridge, lined with shops and offering picturesque views of the River Avon. Pro tip: book your tickets to the Roman Baths in advance, especially during peak season, to avoid long queues. Prepare to be captivated by Cornwall, a rugged peninsula in southwest England, steeped in myths, legends, and maritime history. Imagine dramatic coastlines battered by the Atlantic waves, picturesque fishing villages, and hidden coves shrouded in mystery. Start your Cornish adventure in St Ives, a charming seaside town renowned for its vibrant art scene. Visit the Tate St Ives, an art museum perched on the cliffs overlooking Porthmeor Beach, showcasing modern and contemporary art. Explore Land's End, the westernmost point of mainland England, where the Atlantic Ocean stretches out before you, offering breathtaking views and a sense of being at the edge of the world. For a taste of Cornish history, visit Tintagel Castle, perched dramatically on the cliffs linked to the legend of King Arthur. Pro tip: try a traditional Cornish pasty, a savoury pastry filled with meat and vegetables, a staple of Cornish cuisine. Our next stop takes us to Cambridge, a city synonymous with academic excellence and historic charm. Imagine punting along the River Cam, gliding beneath ancient bridges, past the backs of historic colleges, a quintessentially Cambridge experience. Begin your exploration at Cambridge University, one of the world's oldest and most prestigious universities. Take a guided walking tour to discover the history and secrets of the university's colleges, including King's College Chapel with its magnificent fan-vaulted ceiling, and Trinity College, where Sir Isaac Newton once studied. Afterward, enjoy a leisurely punt along the River Cam, a unique way to experience the city from a different perspective. For a taste of Cambridge's academic spirit, visit the Fitzwilliam Museum, home to a world-class collection of art and antiquities. Pro tip: during peak season, pre-book your punting trip to avoid disappointment. Our final destination takes us to the Yorkshire Dales, a region of rolling hills, dry stone walls, and charming villages, a true taste of rural England. Imagine yourself hiking through breathtaking landscapes, discovering hidden waterfalls, and enjoying the warm hospitality of Yorkshire folk. Start your exploration in the Yorkshire Dales National Park, a vast area of natural beauty, perfect for hiking, cycling, and exploring the great outdoors. Hike to the top of Malham Cove, a limestone pavement formed by a retreating glacier offering stunning views of the surrounding countryside. Discover the picturesque village of Grassington with its cobbled streets, traditional pubs, and charming shops. Visit Bolton Abbey, a ruined 12th century monastery set in a picturesque location on the banks of the River Wharfe. Pro tip: pack a picnic to enjoy amidst the stunning scenery of the Yorkshire Dales. And there you have it, a glimpse into some of England's hidden gems, each offering a unique and unforgettable experience. From the rugged coastlines to the rolling hills, from ancient cities to charming villages, England's lesser-known destinations are waiting to be explored. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and set off on your own journey of discovery. Venture off the beaten path, embrace the unexpected, and create your own unforgettable memories in the heart of England. Who knows what hidden treasures you might uncover? Now it's your turn. Share your own favorite hidden gems in England in the comments below.